How to connect PS4 controller to PC Mortal Kombat 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to play Mortal Kombat 11 on PC. To connect a PS4 controller, you can use either a USB cable or Bluetooth. If you're going wired, plug the controller directly into your PC using a micro USB cable. Windows will automatically detect it, and Steam, if you're using it, will likely configure the controller for you. Mortal Kombat 11 supports native controller input, so you don't need additional software for most setups. For wireless use, ensure your PC has Bluetooth, and then hold PS and share buttons on your controller until the light flashes. Then pair it through your PC's Bluetooth settings by going into your taskbar and then clicking on Bluetooth, and then click on this arrow right here, and you can see here all the devices that your PC might connect to. Steam users, you should open Big Picture mode and enable PlayStation configuration support to ensure full compatibility. This allows you to customize button mappings and calibrate stick input for smoother control in Mortal Kombat 11. And that's how you connect your PS4 controller to PC Mortal Kombat 11.